I'll show you how to organize your social media content with this content planning calendar, preview your own profile, and schedule your social media posts. Plus, there's a bunch of unique features that truly make it my favorite way to organize my social media content. So go ahead and click the first link in the description. This is going to open up Rella. And now a quick disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by Rella. I've recently been getting a lot of questions on what's the best way to organize your social media. And I went on the search and found Rella. It's an absolutely amazing tool. All I ask in return is that you go ahead and smash that like button and consider subscribing. It really enables me to make more videos like this one in the future. Now let's go ahead and get started. So Rella markets itself as the best social media tool for content planning, project management, and most importantly, having the best built-in AI assistant called Rella, which we'll show you later in this video. It can do some wild things. To sign up, go ahead and click that start free trial button in the middle of your screen, and then just add a username, password, and let's get started. Awesome, so this brought us to the Rella homepage. Now, something really cool is on the top left here, you can see all the different social media accounts I already have connected. So you have my own content, you have Big Hammock Brewery, Kimberly Ray is a real estate agent that I manage her content for, and then Twin Oaks Coffee is a coffee shop trailer business that I'm starting. So in here, what's really cool is they separate out all the different project plans that you have for those different creators. So for myself, here are all my Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. If you click 2026 YouTube videos, here are all my long form videos. And then the last one, marketing and branding, here are things that actually aren't scheduled posts. They're just projects that I'm working on, and I want to track them from spot to spot. Same thing, we can go into Big Hammock Brewery. Here's all their content. We can go into Kimberly Ray and see all the different showcase properties that she's planning to post on social media. And then for Twin Oaks Coffee, here's all the different social media reels we have planned. Now, it's really important how easy it is to connect an account. So to do that, let's imagine we want to add an account for Twin Oaks Coffee. We can go ahead and select settings. And then on the right here are all the different social media accounts that we can connect. And let's go ahead and add Instagram. And then what's really cool is if you're already logged into Instagram on your computer, Rella will find that account and automatically successfully connect it for you, which is really cool. Now let's imagine that you're managing someone else's social media and they don't want to share with you your password, right? That happens with clients. What you can do is go to the bottom and say, need someone else to link. Select this button that says share social links. And when you add your client's email here, let's just put Jane Doe. And when we select send, Jane will get an email requesting her to log into her different social media platforms, and then they'll automatically be added on your side. And then when that client logs in on their side, they'll be able to see all the different social media posts that you have planned for them, which is really awesome. Now, of course, let's go ahead and schedule our first social media post. So you'll see in Twin Oaks Coffee, we have these different categories. We have 2 reels that are posted that are closed out. We have 1 that's been approved by Jane and it's getting ready to be posted. Then we have 2 that are yet to be approved, so they're impending. But you'll see we have no new ideas. So let's go ahead and schedule our first post. So what you're going to want to do is click content on the upper right. Awesome. So here we get to select which platforms do we want this post to be shown on. So let's go ahead and choose this to be posted as a Facebook reel. Then we'll do Instagram reel. And then lastly, let's have this posted as a TikTok video. Now, of course, we have to go grab that video. So let's go ahead and select media to upload. We'll choose it from our device. And here's a video I already have saved on my computer. And we'll go ahead and double click that. And now you'll see it's uploaded to Rella. Awesome. So now let's go ahead and add a caption for our video. So right in here, I'm going to put, come try our new coffee brew. Now, personally, we didn't spend a lot of time on this caption. What I want to show you is how powerful Rella can be. So Rella is the built-in AI assistant. Most AI assistants just help you craft your language better. What Rella does is she works within the platform with you and plugs this stuff in the correct location so that you don't have to do it yourself. So I'm going to show you a couple examples. So what we can do is go ahead and click Rella on the upper right. Then we'll say, could you please make a better caption for my video? Currently, I have this, and I want it to be better and have hashtags. And when we run that, Rella is going to go through and make a better post for us. So this post already looks way better than what we had initially. And here are a bunch of recommended best hashtags. Now, personally, I don't need 10 hashtags on my post. So if you want to accept these, you can just say accept all changes. But if you want to revise these, you can select deny and add a comment on what you want to change. So let's go ahead and here and put please only 3 hashtags. choose the best ones. And when we run it, Ella has updated to have just 3 hashtags: coffee lovers, new brew, local coffee. And when we select accept all changes, you'll see on the left side, now our caption's been updated and now our hashtags have been updated. And that's what I really like about the feature. It doesn't require me to drag and drop these words into place, and it can automate a bunch of different posts that we're going to show you pretty soon here. Now, of course, since we're uploading a video, we want to add a cover photo for our video. So what you can do is just go ahead and upload another image, and that's going to be the cover photo for your video. And to do that, there's 2 really cool options. One is you can select from the gallery, and here are all images that I've uploaded as previous media or things that I wanted to use in the future. Or you can go ahead and just upload it from your device by clicking device here and selecting the image that I already have saved on my computer. Now, let's imagine you're managing this content with a team. There's a couple things you can do to help keep your posts organized. One is to give your posts a name. So let's go ahead at the top and put new coffee brew. Then we can add a tag. Now, tags are only showed by people who work within the app to kind of filter through some of your content. So let's go ahead and add a tag here. And then coming back to the different forms of social media, you don't want to lose some of those customizable features you have within the app. So here you have the ability to tag users. So let's go ahead and put community coffee. You can tag collaborators. So let's tag them here as well. And then of course we want to add a location. We're based in Salt Lake City. So let's go ahead and type that here and have it added. Now, back to managing this as a team. I might not be the only one working on this post. It might be me and my marketing partner. It might be my peer. It might be a client, whatever, right? So you can add tasks within the post. So for us, what did we just do? We drafted a new coffee brew. So let's assign that to ourselves. And you can also put dates here, but for this video, we're not going to put dates. Now let's imagine I'm handing this off to someone to approve it. You can go ahead and put approve video and provide feedback, and you can tag one of your other team members, or you can set up a workflow where anytime you create a post, it must automatically be approved by person 1, person 2, person 3, whatever. Now, what's really cool is on the right side, you can see a log of all the different changes that we made to this post. You can see when I left this comment. Now, if you want to talk to your peer or your client within the app itself, you can do so right here. So I'm going to add a note to myself saying, hey, Joe, I'd love to get this scheduled for next week. Would you mind reviewing? Now, when your peer comes back to review the video, they can actually go ahead and provide feedback from a specific part of the video. So maybe they put, I would like the video to start here instead, thanks. And now when I come back to look at my peer's feedback, I can simply click the button and see the note that they left me. Now, of course, we want to schedule this social media post. So to do that, let's go ahead to the calendar here. Let's schedule this for January 5th. And then coffee people, they're up pretty early. Let's go ahead and put 6:30 a.m. and then we'll go ahead and save this just by clicking out of it. And now this post is in pending, meaning that it's moved to the next step requiring that approval. Now, my favorite feature above all is connecting the calendar feature with the Ella generating post for you feature. So what you can do is go ahead and select calendar. Let's click Joe Zeppelin and you'll see I have all these different posts scheduled for every single day since we're doing 100 videos in 100 days. But if you go to Twin Oaks Coffee, we only have posts scheduled on Monday. So let's use Ella to automatically generate us some posts. So let's go ahead and add notes on what we want the platform to do. So we can say, I notice I only have posts scheduled for Mondays. I want to create 8 posts for my coffee shop business. I want these posts to be scheduled for 6:30 a.m. for every Friday in January and every other Wednesday at 9 a.m. We'll make it confusing. See how it works. I want these to be scheduled for Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Now, when we select send, you'll see it thinks for a little bit. Now it's going through and generating all these different posts for us. They each had their unique caption that has learned from how we posted in the past. So this caption was added here. And if we select accept, it's going to go ahead and schedule them on our calendar. And then when we close out of this, you'll see we have all these posts scheduled for every single Friday, and we have posts scheduled for every other Wednesday. So really, really remarkable feature here. That's my favorite feature of the tool. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this, but if you click in here, you can see they don't have images. So I'm going to go ahead and put an image in here. And while I go through and do that, if you're finding value out of this video so far, please like this video and consider subscribing for new videos every Monday on all things AI, business, and tech. This is truly what I like to do, and your viewership allows me to do that. So I really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get back to it. Now, the last 3 things we're going to go over really quick is 1 is previewing your profile, 2 is the analytics that you get from the tool, and 3, most importantly, the different pricing plans. So to see how this is going to look on your social media, go ahead and select feed up here, and then you can see how this will be laid out on your Instagram, for instance. Now let's go ahead and look at the analytics. So if we select analytics up here, you'll be able to filter this by every different platform that you have connected, or you can go ahead and look at the totals of all the different platforms combined. Now, let's imagine you're not great at analytics. What you can do is just use Ella to ask the question and have it go find the answer for you. So I'm going to select this one saying, look at my analytics, tell me what posts perform best and what I can do to make posts better in the future. And it's going to pull all these different insights that it found from your posts, your comments, your followers, how well those posts performed, every different thing that you have available. It will tell you what you can do better. And you can go ahead and ask specific questions like, do my Instagram reels or photos perform better? And it's going to go ahead and look at all your content and say, hey, your reels of short form videos are working better for you. Now, of course, pricing is important to talk about. Let's go through these to decide which one is best for you. So there's 3 different plans. One is Rella Pro. Rella Pro is best for content management. Solo influencers, a team of 1 who are managing their content. Here you can manage all your different social media accounts. You can schedule posts. The downside is you don't get any workflows, so automatic approval from a client, or you don't get access to Ella, which is my favorite feature within the tool. If you want Ella and you want the ability to set up automatic approvals and workflows, for instance, you're going to want to use Rella Premium. This one is best for external collaboration, teams of content managers, teams of marketing teams. This one's $36 a month, but definitely worth $12 more than the Rella Pro, in my opinion, since you're getting access to that AI assistant. The last plan is Rella Premium Plus. I'd recommend this one for large enterprises who are trying to manage their marketing team. This one is $48 a month. The benefits from here is you get one-on-one training for onboarding, so all your team members are trained for how to use the tool. 2 is you get additional Ella usage. So you only can use Ella so many times a month in the Rella Premium plan. That is extended greatly in the Rella Premium Plus plan. And 3, you get customized branding for all your analytics. It'll have your logo on the screen. Now, this assumes that you're already growing your social media and that your social media is growing quickly. If you need help growing your social media successfully, I'd watch this video where we create a digital business card connected to all your different forms of social media. It's our most popular video on the channel. And before you leave, I need your help with 3 different things. 1, like this video if you enjoyed it. 2, consider subscribing to stay up to date on all things AI, business, and tech. And number 3, go watch that video. I know will help you out, and the link to Rella is in the description below. Talk to you soon, friends.